Our top 5 best animation tablets. One number product. Wacom Intuos Graphics Drawing Animation Tablet. Wacom has been developing innovative premium pen tablets and displays to help you unleash your creativity for the past 35 years. The brand offers easy-to-use digital solutions with creative software applications. The best thing about Wacom's animation tablet is that it comes with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity that gives you great control and precision. Whether you are drawing or painting or photo editing, you can achieve great precision in nearly any software application. 2 number product. Xiaomi Graphic Drawing Tablet. Xiaomi is a popular Chinese brand that develops animation products and handwritten input digitizer products. The brand has a premium line of products including signature pad, pen tablet monitor, USB pen tablet, wireless pen tablet, and LED tracing board. Xiaomi's animation tablet uses a pen with the most advanced passive technology that does not have to be charged nor has the need for replacing the battery. 3 number product. Wacom Intuos Pro Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. Another animation tablet from the Wacom brand makes it to our list. The brand offers a wide range of animation tablets and other digital solutions to suit the needs of creative artists. This tablet uses Pro Pen 2 technology that gives you more hours of image editing and design work. There is no need for charging the pen. The Pro Pen 2 has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity that provides great control and precision. It is also equipped with tilt response and lag-free tracking features for a seamless experience. 4 number product. Huayan Graphic Drawing Tablet. Huayan uses its proprietary electromagnetic digital input technology to manufacture a wide range of digital art devices. The Chinese brand sells its products in over 50 countries and regions. Huayan has used a battery-free stylus in this animation tablet with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity for refining your digital artwork with a great precision. The stylus offers you a resolution of 5080 LPI and reading rates of 233 RPS for an accurate and natural drawing experience. 5 number product. UGI Graphics Drawing Tablet. Next on our list is UGI's M708 V2 Drawing Tablet. UGI is a relatively small brand, but nevertheless, it manufactures superior quality digital art devices to bring out the creative artist within you. With a 8192 pressure sensitivity pen stylus, you can draw accurate lines of any opacity and weight depending on how hard you press the pen against the surface. As the pen has a battery-free design, you can use it continuously as long as you want without any interruptions. Thanks for watching this video.